I'm Marna, and I don't do a lot of unboxing on my channel, Dolls Rescued, but we are today. Finally, my Blythe Dolls ordered way back when are showing up, and I am absolutely thrilled. We have a few more coming that are so overdue. I'm wondering if they're ever going to show up. But let's have a little fun today. I have to admit, I peeked. These came yesterday and last night. I'm like, well, you know, it saves time on the video to open them. Oh, these are so cool, just so cool. I am going to be 64 in March, and my hair is turning gray. I know it, I see it, that's the way it is. It happens. And suddenly, I'm buying gray hair dolls. So I got this little cutie because I only have the one short-haired Blythe. She has purple hair. I think you've seen her on I've showed her on my videos. Whether you've seen her or not, that's another question. These little Blythe dolls they're so fun, and I was not sold on them for a long time. I wasn't going to get them. And then J Dolls UK and Ruby Red World of Dolls kept having these unboxings, and one was cuter than the other. And one day, after watching one, I went and started shopping, and now I have, well, let's just say I have a large collection of the Blythe Dolls. Blythe Dolls were made in 1972 by the Kenner Company. Let's get one thing straight right now. If your doll does not say Kenner on the back, it is not an original. These are all remakes, non-originals, but boy, they're lovely. And quite honestly, these are new and improved. The old Blythes have no articulation other than they move their legs up and down. They do have the click knees, but their arms do not move. Their faces are very shiny. They have not a lot of hair. Most people who have the new Blythes would not like the Kenner dolls. They did not do well, and then things happened and they became popular again. At any rate, these are made off of the Blythe Dolls by Kenner in 1972, who was made off of the look of Betty Boop. These dolls have a world of articulation, and they can move their heads. They don't move up and down, which I wish they did, because they have a downward look. Their arms move out and up, and they twist. You can twist it all the way around. And the wrist also twists. So the arm twists in two spots. The elbow is very articulated. The waist turns. The legs go up and the legs go out to the side. She can ride a horse. The knees bend. There's a twist at the top of the hip, and the knee bends and the ankle bends. Not all of these dolls are made the same. Some are ball jointed. This one is not. Although very articulated. This doll's face is matted. I rather like that look, but I'm also glad I have the shiny faces, because the shiny faces were what the original Blythe Dolls had. Blythe Doll was made on the Betty Boop in competition with the Barbie doll. The Kenner Company came out with them, Kenner Toy Company, and they also have a pull string on the back. Mattel had a doll named Chatty Cathy, followed by a whole bunch of other dolls and toys that had pull strings, and when you pulled them, they talked. Blythe, on the other hand, changes eye color and focus. She focuses to the right, to the left, and center. I love that. I rather like the gray eyes and the blue eyes. These dolls are made well, and when you have one in your hand, you know it. Their hands also come off You can change their hands to a whole variety of different poses, and they hold stuff, and just, it's fantastic. Mine came, this is only my third doll that came with a free gift, and I got shoes, and doll shoes are a thing, and so I'm glad to have them. So she's a real cutie. In this box, I got this dress. This dress, I think, was about $10, and it was very, very worth it. I already have one of these. I ordered another. I think my other one is red. This also came from AliExpress. I don't know if you can see all the work on the front of that dress, and the gathered sleeves, and the little beads that look like little buttons. The skirt is gathered, the hem is finished. It does close with Velcro, but it's very nice Velcro, and it's well put in. If they had these in another color, promise you I'd buy them. This is a doll I have been walking the floor waiting on. You know, I've said before, I am 1/4 Cherokee Indian, and I love, love, love dolls that are made after American Indians. And I want to open this carefully because this girl has hair. When I had seen her on AliExpress, I was like, oh, I really like her. And then I saw someone open her, and I love it because the lady that opened her saw something else in her. And I think that's great with the different dolls. We all see them the way we want to see them. But to me, this doll is Native American. Now, I wanted the one with straight hair. They did not have her. So I got the curly hair. It's not that I don't love the curly hair. Most 99% of American Indian hair is, oh, so beautiful. Coarse, straight, and black. I absolutely love this. Of course, there are exceptions to the rule. This doll is gorgeous. She looks like Sioux Indian to me. And she also has the same articulation. Let's look at eyes. I hope she has brown eyes, but if not, I have some eye chips. And an update. Yesterday when I went looking for my, or day before, when I went looking for my eye chips, I did have, Darren bought me the full chips, and my little boy Blythe is good to go. Oh, look at those gray, oh, that's gorgeous, eyes. I have ideas for her for some clothing. Oh, I just love her. These little Blythes, when you buy one, you're like, oh, I need another one. Oh, I need another one. Oh, I wish I had another one. Now this is really fun. I have one other of these little Middie Dolls, they're called. They are, I think they're 1/8. These are 16th, that's scale, which Barbie is 16th. These
1/6.
Yes, 1/6, thank you. They are 12 inches. Their bodies, oh gosh, is it 7.5 or 8 inches? But their heads are so big, it makes their bodies small. That's what makes them so fun. Betty Boop. Boop, boop, doo. These are called Middies. And they are, I believe it's half that size is what I started to say. And, gray hair. Mine is going gray. And yes, this is my natural color. No, I don't dye it. No, I don't enhance it. So I got a little gray-haired Middie. Isn't she cute? And I think she is, no, she's a little more than half, isn't she? I would say. I would have to get out a measuring tape and measure her. Her hips are a little loose, but I have a cure for that. I need to do Blythe hacks because I figured out how to make her some very inexpensive shoes. They aren't the best, but she has shoes. Again, same articulation. The foot doesn't move much. I'm not going to force that foot because I don't care, but there is a hinge on that foot. The knee moves. You have the hip that swings, the hip that goes out and up. She moves. Oh wow, this little bitty doll even moves at the waist. Her hand moves. It has the swivel to it. The shoulder has the or does it? The shoulder does not have the swivel that the other dolls do, but it goes up and out, and the elbow moves, and the head moves. Oh my goodness, she's such a cutie. Now, finding clothes for these dolls, not easy. Good thing I sew. But they did send me a little free gift of a little halter dress. Okay, this will freak a lot of people out, especially non-doll people. Isn't that the coolest? Oh man. The Middies have a dial in the back. They do not have the pull string. And what it does is it moves the moves the eyes, and I think that is so cool. That's going to creep a lot of people out. Now, if you made a zombie out of one of these dolls for Halloween and sat it on your lap while you were talking to people, and you got really good at moving it with your hand, how fun would that be? Okay, I'm kind of sick. The Middie did come with 2 more sets of hands, which are so tiny and so cute, and this little dress. I haven't tied it yet, but I found a little porcelain doll. I have another one of these little Middies, and I found a little porcelain doll for $1 at an antique store, and I stole her little outfit, and yes, it does fit. I haven't finished the back. I want to, I can't decide how I want to close it, but it does close. I'm really tickled with that, and it comes with the knickers or bloomers or whatever you want to call them. And shoes are always an issue. And these dolls do not come dressed, nor do they have shoes, which is part of their, what do you want to call it? You can hear my dog. She grabs toys and she runs from them. She's playing with the cat right now. My son's cat's here and they are having a ball. So that's what you hear. Shoes are an issue, but you can buy them on eBay. I buy these little black shoes. I absolutely love them. They are a little too big for some of the Blythe's feet. They are what do you call it? Both feet go in the same shoe. And then after the doll wears them, they become left and right. Worn with socks, these will fit any of the Blythes. What some people really like is stockings get thick. These still fit. I have actually, I need to do a hacks and crafts. I have actually sized these to fit the other dolls because I don't like socks. One more thing. Yesterday we went to Walmart, and of course they're having their clearance. And Unicorn Rainbow Toys and Dolls got me started on these boxy girls. And I found this one yesterday in Walmart. She was just sitting there. I had no idea how much she was or anything else. So I call it giving it a ride. I put it in my cart and walk it around the store. Well, Darren checked he has that Walmart app. I don't work there. I don't want the app. But Darren has it, and he checked the price. $3.50. I was not leaving her. I have 5, so I suppose now I have a full collection of boxy girls. They're cute. They're whimsical and they're cute. Often on our channel we do hidden giveaways, and that is we don't announce it and you have to watch the whole video to find them. But we often do hidden giveaways, and a lot of those are items that Darren has 3D printed, so you won't find them, well, many other places. A lot of these he makes his own models, which are the patterns, which is the case for these Valentine's Day printed, actually heart printed. You could use these any day of the year. Doll stands. These were made for the Blythe dolls, but they could be used for a variety of different dolls. And what you get is in the mail, you'll get your bottom and your clip, and then a longer post so that you can set it up for the size of your doll. We do this for our subscribers, and you must be a subscriber to the Dolls Rescued channel. You must be a verifiable subscriber. That is, if we choose your name, we do go to your page to make sure you are subscribed to us. You also need to leave a comment and a like. Good luck. I love these. I think this is one of the, I just love them. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and consider subscribing to the Dolls Rescued channel.